Metastatic breast cancer is typically referred to as the disease of aging, but it affects more young people than we think. 1 in 7 people actually living in the U.S. with this cancer are under the age of 50. Here with the details on an FDA-approved treatment is breast cancer expert Dr. Joyce O'Shaughnessy. Also joining her is Helga, a breast cancer patient. Ladies, great to talk to you this morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Question right off the bat. What makes premenopausal metastatic breast cancer different than postmenopausal?
Well, the woman's young age is really an important factor. When the ovaries are still functional, she's premenopausal. The breast cancer develops rapidly. It's fast growing. It becomes large quickly. It comes from out of the blue. And unfortunately, it has a greater tendency to metastasize and spread to the vital organs like the liver, lungs, brain, and bone. And unfortunately, when that happens, we don't have a cure for that, although there's a great deal of research going on.
My goodness, I know you are quite involved with the treatment and the research of this, doctor. Well, what kind of treatment do you think can benefit someone with this particular type of cancer?
Well, there's different types of metastatic breast cancer. Thankfully, there's huge research and progress being made for all of the different subtypes, though we don't have a cure in hand. The most recent information for the young woman with metastatic breast cancer is a new FDA approval of a pill called KISQALI. And it is for young women whose breast cancer is fed by estrogen that's produced from their ovaries. And you have to turn that off. There's an injection once a month to stop the menstrual periods, stop the estrogen production, but that's not enough. Then you add the KISQALI pill in the premenopausal woman with another anti-estrogen pill called Femara that lowers the estrogen further, and the KISQALI stops the cell division of the breast cancer. That's a very powerful triple combination against the metastatic breast cancer in the young woman, and it led to FDA approval, which we're very grateful for because we haven't had hardly any focused clinical trials on the young woman with metastatic breast cancer in the last 20 years.
Wow, thank you. Thanks for that. Helga, how is being diagnosed with cancer, how has it changed your life?
A way that I've been putting it is that it turns your world upside down. It's something that you're not expecting, especially breast cancer. At a younger age, it's a shock. And when it's metastatic, it's devastating. So yes, your life is changed completely with a diagnosis like this.
You have a message, though, for other people. You look to be doing quite well. You're looking fantastic, actually, and vital, sitting there with us today. What kind of advice do you have for others facing the same situation?
The key advice that I tend to give people is to learn as much about their cancer, that way about your specific breast cancer type. That way you can learn and actually be hopeful when you see all the new treatments that are in the pipeline, that are in trials, and treatments that can help you keep this cancer at bay and manage the disease longer and longer. So that's my key advice for people to learn as much as they can about their breast cancer type.
Well, thank you. Thanks for sharing, and I'm glad you're doing so well. Doctor, where can we go for more information?
For this information about the new FDA approval for the premenopausal young woman with metastatic breast cancer, there's a helpful website called KISQALI.com, KISQALI.com. It's quite a good resource.
Great. Ladies, thank you so much. If you or someone you know has metastatic breast cancer, visit the website on your screen to learn more about advancements in treatment. KISQALI is a proud sponsor of Las Vegas Morning Blend.